Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have our 3-inch hot side intercooler pipe for the 2017-19 L5P Duramax. So here we've got our hot side intercooler pipe upgrade for the L5P Duramax. This is a very common, one of the first upgrades that a lot of Duramax owners do. And there's a couple key points that you need to know about our kit that sets it aside from all the others. One of the most important things about the hot side intercooler pipe assembly is your silicone boot at the turbo outlet. The turbo outlet sees the highest temperatures of your intercooler system and is the #1 boot to fail on applications not only high performance but also on stock trucks, tow rigs, hauling campers. We've seen many failures with the OEM boots as well as other aftermarket boots. So when we designed our turbo outlet boot, we use a high temperature internal liner on the silicone boot, and most importantly, we have a wire reinforcement in the center. This keeps the boot from being able to expand, which is what leads to the boots tearing and blowing apart, leaving you stranded on the side of the road up a mountain pass with a camper. Very important upgrade and much more reliable than the OEM setup. That silicone boot connects to our 3-inch 14 gauge aluminum mandrel bent intercooler pipe. This is larger than factory unit, measuring about 2.5 inches, and it's also a one-piece design. We eliminate the boot in the center that the factory style uses, which gets rid of another failure point. The bottom of the intercooler pipe connection uses our 3-inch silicone boot to connect to the intercooler, all with stainless steel T-bolt clamps. We also offer our intercooler pipe upgrade in a package, which includes your hot and cold side intercooler pipes if you're looking to do an upgrade on both pipes at the same time, save you a little bit of money versus buying them individually. This pipe here finished in our bronze chrome powder coat finish. Like all of our product, good, durable, high quality powder coat. 35 standard colors to choose from on the website, and for additional upcharge, you've got thousands of other colors you can pick from. Really simple install, no tuning required. Mission's intact, easy upgrade to do in your driveway with basic tools. If you got any other questions, feel free to comment below, reach out to our sales team, we're happy to help, and stay tuned for more product videos on your L5P. Thanks again, I'm Jason Wehrli.